I want to talk for a second about the noises that zombies make. All right? Who has a good zombie noise? Raise your hand. Sean, what you got? Let's hear it. Kind of a throaty, raspy, good one. Anybody got anything else?
Hold on. Sometimes it like messes
The drawing air in. What we want to avoid is we want to avoid every single zombie making the exact same noise. All right? Hisses are really good. I love hisses when I'm working in here because you guys have a pretty loud sound system. And I can make a hiss noise near a guest's ear and not blow out their eardrum. If I go "Lah!" in their ear, they get pissed off. If a person gets pissed off, anger and fear cannot live in the same brain. If I piss them off, I cannot scare them. That's true for everybody. You can't do it. Anger and fear cannot occupy the same space. They can't live in the same brain. But I can hiss in someone's ear and not cause a problem. You get a little fluid going on in there. It's good for you. All right? So when we mill around again, concentrate on zombie noises. Hear other people's noises that you like and try to mimic it, as well as hear other people's noises that sound good and try and do something completely different in order to not make everything the exact same. Worst haunts in the world, when you go through them, every actor jumps out and goes, rah, rah, rah. So we don't want to be a chorus of rah. All right? So, actor, brain, turn on your zombie body, and mill with noise. Freeze. Everybody unfreeze. Raise your hand if your throat hurts a little bit. That was 30 seconds. I timed 30 seconds. So as well as make cool noises, try to make noises that you can maintain for the entire evening. I will go through several parts of my throat and wear each one out in sequence during the night. I have back of throat noises. I have top of the roof of mouth noises. They're different noises. I have guttural moans. Sounds like someone is making bagpipes out of a person. All right, so go through those different parts, figure out what bothers your throat, and be able to move it around. And bring yourself some halls, because you're going to blow your throat out. It's part of the job. Okay, it happens. You know, and pace yourself a little bit on Friday night to get through Saturday night. Pace yourself a little bit on Saturday night if you're open on Sunday. You're open a couple, right?